Hello and welcome back to Scriptcase by Jamie. That is me showing you the fastest and best ways on how you can use Scriptcase to develop applications or fully functional platforms in record time. Now, this Scriptcase development environment is no joke. You can create applications and fully functional platforms in no time whatsoever. It is quite easy to use and really anybody can use it. It is low code, and just within a few clicks you can have fully functional applications ready for you to customize. And that's what I'm here for, to show you how. So in this video, what are we going to create? Well, we are going to be creating this time a menu application, and hopefully soon the menu will be changing, so this process may change soon. And as you see, there is no process. It is simply one click to choose your localization and then click the create button. It does not get any easier than that. And just like that, we have created ourselves here a fully themable and functional menu system. And within a few clicks, we can import all of our applications and display them then within our new menu. Just like that, record time. You could not have done this faster anywhere else. And that is it. And until the next video.